So today we are going to make a review of 32 bore Alfa Proj Czechoslovakian Revolver, the ultimate premium gun one can buy in India with 3.2 Smith & Wesson long Chico Wat Cutter ammo. So this is the weapon imported from Czechoslovakia, and we'll load it with this Chico ammunition. The target is set at 25 meters. So now we are going to fire the revolver first in double action and thereafter in single action mode. So first round. Shooting from 25 meters. In single action mode. Now it's empty, as you can see. We are going to unload this. It's so easy to unload. The spent brass casings are coming out like smooth. So we are immediately going to check the target where we have shot from 25 meters. Oh, that's beautiful. That's brilliant. 2 in 10th ring, 2 in 9 and 1 in 7. Probably that was the one जो मैंने double action में shoot किया था on the first shot, and all the other is over here. This is the grouping size. So we are going to shoot 6 shot of again 32 caliber Smith & Wesson long Chico German ammunition through this masterpiece Alfa stainless Alfa Proj revolver made in Czechoslovakia. This is a match grade piece of art. That's what you can say. So here we are going to load it again and shoot it from a distance of 25 meters, as you can see. So it's butter smooth, as you can see.